Nice setup here. Keeping it clean. This is only the start of it, but pretty soon we'll have a couple more meets here, a couple more people here. I mean, I just cleaned it up a little bit, cleaned up the charger. Wanted to make it look good. So right now it's cleaned up a little bit, cleaned up the rims. It's looking good. Got the Subies. It's pretty nice, bro. Pretty nice. So I'll get back to you guys when the full meet rise. This is just the start of it. We're kind of the leading of it. But at the end of the night, we're gonna have hopefully a pretty fat meet here. I'll post it all over social media, so hopefully a lot of people come. It's pretty lit. So I'll catch you guys. Not max out the lighting, but it's kind of dark out here. We had to change spots. We had to go to Walmart because we got kicked out of the other spot. Not for being loud, not for doing anything illegal, just because it was private property. So we went to a public property. We're at Walmart now, which is right there behind me, as you can see. So we still got the lineup. We had posted on social media that we're changing the spot to Walmart. So we're waiting here, and the funny thing is, there's actually a police officer over there making his rounds up and down. You might be able to see him. I'm gonna try to see if you can record it. There he is. See him? He's getting closer and closer. He's like a shark swarming the waters, man. He's going up and down, up and down. He's gonna come over here, and then he's gonna start complaining. But yep. All they do is fucking. I mean, it is free to record, so I'm recording a cop right now. But yep, this is it. We're gonna have our meet here, even if the cop doesn't like it. Maybe we'll get him to open up his engine bay and take some pictures with us. But yeah, it's cool. All right, guys. I'm Max out. I'll catch you guys when we have more people here. Peace. For one day. Look at that.
Power stroke.
Only be stroking it. God damn. Bro, Ramses, this thing looks so wet now. Setting up a little bit. Setting up. We got a little bit of people here. It's good. Bro, you should leave it in there. Leave it in there and drive with it like that.
That's a horse wiener, guy. Yeah, he's fucking huge.
Oh, the sound it makes.
Fuck! Oh, touch the ground yet. Fuck!
No, dude, you need to make the antenna. Put it over there. Oh! Oh! That was good. Oh, my bad. Setting up, setting up. We're gonna get a couple people here. We got a couple cars here so far. We don't have a full group yet, but so far so good. It's looking good. Alright, I'll catch you guys when we get more people here, but it's just starting out right now. Alright, man. Now Max out. But it's pretty good lit so far. Oh, shit, that's for sale, huh?
Gavin.
Yeah, so we're out here. There's a few cars out here. It's pretty lit. We're rocking it out. Got a couple of cars out here. Pretty lit. Catch you guys.
I'll watch this video later in a minute.
I'm going to a Hollister. Instead, I'm going to go to Carnegie in the morning with some buddies, watch the Hill Climbs Pro AMA series. It's going to be pretty lit. I'm going to try to put this video in tonight. If not, I'm going to put it in the video tomorrow with my Carnegie rides. Kind of make it a whole weekend thing. But yeah, tonight's pretty neat. It's a not fat car meet, but it's kind of just the main crew. Some people that we know, some people that we don't know. Yeah, we got a couple cars out here that are nice. I mean, I got the Scat. I'm pretty sure it's the nicest car here. Besides that Lexus over there. That Lexus is pretty nice. But I want to give a big shout out to Debbie Racing and Callie and Famous for putting this together. It's a pretty good meet. It's not fat, but are you out of here? All right, man. I'll catch you. Well, I'm not drunk, so that's good. All right. Well, I just want to let you guys know that tomorrow will be a pretty lit day. I'm going to try to put these videos in with it tomorrow. And I'm going to keep everything kind of together. But, yeah, if this video is long enough, I'll post it tonight. If not, I'm going to add it with the videos from tomorrow. But, yeah, Mad Max is out. Peace. We're heading out to Carnegie. My camera don't have a lot of juice in it because I forgot my charger, so I'm going to try to get a little bit of videos. Hopefully it don't die. Yeah, but I'm excited. I'm heading out there right now. I'd send some videos of me driving, but I'm not trying to waste the camera so I can use it while I'm riding. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm out there. Mad Max out.
You probably don't recognize me, huh? How you been? Are you running the hill climbs? Damn, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. That's sweet.
I ran open, men's, and I got 4 to 8.
Sweet, sweet. I was going to try to sign up for it, but I didn't have the money to even push myself to do it.
Yeah.
But I know is the little mini bikes going tonight?
What?
Is the mini bikes, or was that last night? Oh. I missed it.
I barely stayed. I had to go home.
Looks like fun though. Looks like a gnarly ass hill. Well, I just wanted to say hi. I haven't seen you in a long time, so. Big one. Big one right here. Yeah. Huge one. ATM sponsored right there. That's insane. I need to get back into this, bro. I used to have motorhomes like this. I used to have this setup. I used to have these setup. Definitely get back into it. I wanted to show you guys this because this is honestly a really cool thing to see. This is like going to NASCAR and looking at the trailers and everything. Look at that hill. I mean, I could do that hill right now if I wanted to. It costs money to do the race. Win money in the long run, but I don't have the money to even push myself to do that right now. Boy, would I like to do it. Look at these setups, man. Look. Quite amazing. Not every day you can see these. tired right there. Hey! Sketch though. I gotta coast, dude. I'm tired. off the bat. It's time to get back to the drink. Alright, so we're going to take this trail back and yeah, get some drinks, relax for a minute 'cause my arm's already pumped. Hopefully my camera, I can do some editing while I'm in my car. Yeah, we're going to hit this trail. That was no rock diamond. I mean, granite. Ready? I'm gonna lift this up, okay? There you go. Y'all good?
Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. Good job, man.
You went up there, I went up there 4 times now.
Hell yeah, man. Rock on, bro. You gonna rip it around some more? Good job, bro. Yeah, I can, man. There you go, brother. Hold the brake. Hold the brake.
No, it won't go up. I had it.
Okay. Good job, man. Helping out the kids, man. Proud to see little kids ride. It's cool. Cool thing to see, man. I started when I was 2. Watching people start. It's kind of impressive, man. It brings warmness to my heart. One day that was my kid. Alright, we're gonna go back to my truck and get some drinks. I'm kind of thirsty. And, now this shit drops off. That's almost broken. Right there. Fucking drops. Not very kind. That was the intro. Hell yeah. Well, that's the first ride of the day. I'm not going to do too many today because I didn't bring a lot of money for gas. So. But, it's kind of cool just to ride around. Ooh. Alright, well, I'm going to get back to you guys when we're on the trail again. So I got to do some shit real quick. And I'm going to get back to you guys. Peace out, guys.